Shalom, friends. Have you been asking HaShem to reveal the steps and or strategies for the project you are building? Or have you been asking where to start? You think you hear some numbers, some dimensions, some measurements, but you say to yourself, this doesn't seem feasible. It can't work. Now imagine if Noach said the same thing about the dimensions, the measurements of the ark, the teva, that HaShem told him to build. These dimensions are found in Parashat Noach, found in Bereshit, Genesis 6:9, and goes through to chapter 11:32. And I want to draw your attention to Bereshit 6:15, where it says, Vase asher ta'asa otah, and this is how you shall make it. And I want to draw your attention to the word otah, it. What was being referred to? The dimensions of the ark: 300 length, 50 width, 30 height. Now let's go back to the word otah, it. Otah is spelled Aleph, Tav, He, and the root word of this is et, spelled Aleph, Tav. Now et is first used in Bereshit, Genesis 1:1, where it says, Bereshit bara Elohim et hashemayim ve'et ha'eretz. Et hashemayim va'et ha'eretz. It means there's an et, a special frequency, a special set of words, a special set of revelation for the heavens and for the earth. Now this is the idea of otah, the it. So just the dimensions of the ark carries a certain frequency, a certain divine frequency, a certain level of revelation that is needed for us. Now I mentioned the dimensions of the ark: 300 length, 50 width, and 30 height. Now the letter in Hebrew that corresponds with 300 is the shin. The letter which corresponds with 50 is the nun, and the letter which corresponds with 30 is the lamed. Now these letters make the word lashon, and lashon speaks to the tongue. It speaks to speech. It speaks to how this this divine frequency, is to refine our speech. This teva speaks to an interior space where I am protected from the deluge and information that can overwhelm us. Have you heard the it? Have you heard the otah? Because it is in this it, in this otah, where the revelation of strategies for the next step in business will be revealed. Are you tuned in? Are you plugged in to this et? Are you plugged into this otah? Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to follow what is heard? Are you willing to be obedient to that et? This is your time. Tune in to that et, to that otah, so that you can manifest your fullest potential.